Riccardo. Riccardo is a mechanical, animated, talking bird. His mouth opens and closes with his voice. And he turns his head and he rocks back and forth on his perch. Riccardo is about 24 to 30 inches tall, sitting on a perch that's about 3 feet off the ground. So he's about 5 feet, 5.5 feet off the ground in total. He's pretty entertaining. Sometimes he gets fresh and says things he's not supposed to. But that's okay, we forgive him. He makes us laugh. Riccardo is operated through electric gear motors, solenoids, and air valves. Can say absolutely anything. He can sing, he can constantly repeat different things, and he can talk back and forth to individuals. He has the capability of answering questions. Riccardo can operate either manually with switches or can be controlled through a timer cam bank or electronic control. And he will operate all day long. As long as you leave him on, he will talk and entertain. Riccardo can say anything you want him to say. Riccardo is made of a combination of latex and fiberglass and fabric. And all the parts that make him move are made of steel.